can't.
I'll be the adjudicator.
You can be the adjudicator because I'm
Right.
going to demonstrate something
Gentlemen.
to you now.
In 3, 2, 1, and go.
I'd say that was a dead heat.
Yeah.
So, Hammond suggested we should see who could do the best donuts.
Doing a skid! Doing a big skid now!
Many Hollywood scenes have been filmed here over the years, but none has ever looked or sounded quite as bovine as this. And none has ever caused quite so much damage.
Suggestions? I mean, running away, obviously.
That's where I was going with
I was
it.
going running away, really.
How far should we run away?
Quite a long way.
And how soon? Now?
Yeah.
I can't get my seatbelt on. Get in!
Running.
Running away.
Desperate times call for desperate measures.
Lexus Farm, this is Sonia. Where would you like to go today?
Yes, hello. I've accidentally painted a gentleman's sausage on a storm drain.
Oh my.
Yeah, I need to run away. The lovely lady suggested Palm Springs, which was 110 miles away. So we settled down and thought a little bit about our cars.
Let's have a quick recap. This Aston has